I'm Tim Myers from Technology Support Services, here to give you a quick run through on how to clean your presentation panel. Per manufacturer recommendations, you are not to use any chemicals of any kind on your panel. You should only use a dry microfiber cloth, and if you need a little more cleaning power, you should use a little bit of water with that cloth. But as you can see on this panel, we have a few smudges. This is just a plain dry cloth, and it takes most of the smudges off pretty well. And you have a few that are a little harder to get to, so we have a little bit of water. You don't want to pour water directly on the screen. It might drip down into the corners and cause damage to the panel itself. Just a little bit of water on the pad is all you need on the cloth, and then you see it takes off all the smudges, any of the extra heavy duty smudges. Then dry it off with the dry side. Take off all the smudges off your panel, and it should give you a nice clean panel when you're done. If you have any questions, as usual, please call tech support at 2680. Thanks for watching.